We talk about how can you add partner attachment on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on more down here, so you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on trading account here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click here on partner attachment here, you just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Add here partner ID here. So then you click here on attach here. Then it's going to add with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.